News coming in of Karnataka Congress President DK Shivkumar flying down to Delhi to meet with Rahul Gandhi. He's going to be discussing the ongoing crisis in Karnataka Congress as MLA Zamir Ahmed has been constantly in public calling Siddaramaiah the future chief minister. DK Shivkumar will also discuss organizational changes with Rahul Gandhi and with the secretary KC Venugopal. Nolan is joining us with more details on this from Bengaluru. Nolan, the BJP in Karnataka is facing a lot of infighting and a lot of issues. The Congress too is having issues, particularly because of problems between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. What really is on the agenda of the meeting between DKS and Rahul?
Well, Akshita, the rift between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah is out in the open. It's been going on for a very, very long time. In fact, the Cold War between both of them has been there for the past 10-15 odd years, even when Siddaramaiah was the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Now what has really happened is this, Akshita. You have Zamir Ahmed Khan, an MLA over here, in a constituency in Bengaluru, that's in the BBMP limits, often coming out in the open talking about his support for Siddaramaiah. Everyone knows he's a supporter of Siddaramaiah, and also his support for Siddaramaiah as the future Chief Minister of Karnataka. Now, of course, DK Shivkumar is the president of the KPCC. He is also an aspirant for the Chief Minister's post. And many a times, DK Shivkumar has warned not just Zamir Ahmed, but other leaders also from speaking out in the open, stating that the Congress High Command has very clearly stated that there will be no Chief Ministerial face and they would fight the next election in less than 2 years on a basis of collectiveness, all together without a Chief Ministerial face. That is one of the reasons why he has gone to meet the Congress High Command. He would be discussing this very issue of certain MLAs coming out in the open, going against the directives and diktat of the party, talking in favor or speaking in favor of Siddaramaiah. Furthermore, he will also be discussing issues, organizational issues, not just in the KPCC right here in the city, but across the district, in order to strengthen the party before the polls.
You know, one would have thought that the infighting in the BJP would translate to advantage Congress, but the Congress also in Karnataka having their own crisis, and they're also fighting it out over the CM face for the party. Nolan, thank you for joining us with all those details.